So we're going to be factoring x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, now, first I want to teach you what it really means to factor. So let's go back to elementary school when you had to do factor trees, say on the number 12. If you had to factor the number 12, you would be thinking, what times what is 12? Well, you could think of this as 2 times 6, or you could have thought of it as 3 times 4, or 1 times 12. But let's go with 2 times 6. So factoring is what times what is a number. And then if we wanted to take this farther, 6 can be written as 2 times 3. And then we can bring down that other 2, and we've actually factored this now into its primes. All right, now how does this relate to factoring this trinomial? Well, we're trying to figure out what times what equals x squared plus 4x plus 4. So we're going to start by writing 2 sets of parentheses. And we're going to think what times what is x squared? Well, x times x is x squared. And then we want to think what times what is 4? Well, we can think 1 times 4 is 4, or 2 times 2. The way you figure out which one is correct is you try one, and then you multiply it out and see if it equals what you had to begin with. So let's try with a 2 here. We'll do a plus 2 and a plus 2. Now let's multiply this out and see if we actually got what we had started with. So we're going to distribute this x times everything in the other parentheses, and then we'll distribute this 2 times everything in the other parentheses. You may have heard of this as FOIL in the past, first times outer time, or first outer inner last. So first times first, x times x is x squared. Check, we got that right. Now the outer, x times 2 is 2x. Now the inner, 2 times x is 2x. Well, 2x plus 2x, what is that? It's 4x. So check, we got that part right. And then the last, 2 times 2 is 4. So check, we got everything right. If we had tried putting in a 1 and a 4 instead of 2 times 2,